Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to turn on notifications on Snapchat. So I will show you 3 ways to turn on Snapchat notifications in case one of them don't work. So first things first, go to Snapchat. Now once you are on Snapchat, click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you come here, click on settings in the top right corner and scroll down to notifications. Once you click on that, you'll have the option to enable notifications on Snapchat. So that's the first way to do it. Now, if this doesn't work and it's still not showing notifications, then what you're going to want to do is go to settings. So once you go to settings, go to notifications. It should be near the top of the menu on settings. Once you find notifications, it's right near the top. Click on it. If you click on it and scroll down until you find Snapchat. Once you find Snapchat, click on it. Now, if notifications is turned off on here, turn it on. But if Snapchat isn't showing up in the notifications, then what you're going to want to do is go back to the settings menu. And once you go back, scroll all the way down until you find Snapchat. Once you find Snapchat, click on it. And then here, click on notifications in the Snapchat. And if you turn this on, then it will fix it. So that's the 3 ways you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I will see you guys next time.